Thank you for being here with us today at the future site of the Center for Manufacturing Innovation. You know, I have to pause and borrow a term from someone that we all know. It's a great day in South Carolina. The Center for Manufacturing Innovation, or CMI as we refer to it, is a new level of partnership between industry and education. Everybody remembers the recession of just not too long ago. Well, about 2010, when we started coming out of the recession, the area manufacturers also experienced some growth, which of course is great. It's great for all of us. However, it pointed out something else, and what it pointed out is that they had an inadequate supply of employees with the appropriate skill. So we started having many discussions, many planning sessions over a number of years, and we devised a plan of how to reduce that skills gap and help our manufacturers continue to compete on a global basis. Now today, of course, we're going to turn that first shovel of dirt, but in addition to that, we're also breaking ground on a new way of delivering education. I often said if we did nothing but build a new building and keep doing things the same way, we would have wasted time and money. On the contrary, we're building in a number of innovations. It's not just about the brick and mortar. We're building in a number of innovations. We're including from K-12 to Clemson University, so we will have a full integration and seamless education throughout to create skilled talent now, not later, but now. In addition, we're going to have some things like a manufacturing honors college, which will be the first one of its kind that I'm aware of at a two-year college in the United States. We are creating opportunities for engineers, for technicians of the future. We're also going to break some long-standing stereotypes of what manufacturing is. The facility itself will help break those stereotypes because we know that there's good careers, there's very good high-paying careers in manufacturing. The facility itself physically, literally, will be a recruiting device not only for the individual interested in manufacturing, but for new companies looking at South Carolina and the upstate.
On behalf of Bosch and Bosch Rexroth, we are truly honored today to represent all the fine manufacturing organizations in this community. On their behalf, it's safe to say we are thrilled to see this day finally come. Even before the recession, and during, and now even today, one problem persists. And Keith already mentioned it, but it's a problem that endangers this vital part of our economy. I'm referring, of course, to the lack of high-skilled technicians for manufacturing. And to help you understand that, just consider if we didn't have enough electricity or water or buildings. High-skilled technicians are that fundamental to our business. We can't manage without any of those resources. But while all the pundits were writing articles, you couldn't pick up a news journal over the last 2 years without reading an article about the critical shortage of high-skilled labor. While they were blogging and writing, Dr. Miller and his team were busy innovating. And I have to say, I'm really proud to be part of a community where the leaders of business and the leaders of education can come together and work on the really, really hard problems.
In 2013, my predecessor, President Emeritus Jim Barker, signed an MOU, as Keith pointed out earlier, with Dr. Miller and Greenville Tech to create this center. The vision was for new collaboration between a top-notch research university, an innovative technical college, and advanced manufacturers to create a center that would enhance the development and the implementation of advanced manufacturing technologies. The CMI will promote student progress from associate degrees to bachelor degrees and workforce training and certificate programs that will increase the qualifications of manufacturing employees. The center will provide opportunities for Clemson engineering students to participate side by side in multidisciplinary teams with Greenville Tech students, bringing future engineers and technicians together. At Clemson, we feel fortunate to be working with Greenville Tech as we create a new integrated model of education for the manufacturing sector.
So when you look at CMI, what is it doing? It is going and showing the companies that we already have that we appreciate them. It is partnering with our institutions of higher ed to let them know that we get the fact that what they do it well, if we will let them do their job. And then we're going and sending a message to the world that if you are an industry, if you come to South Carolina, one, we'll take care of you, two, we will continue to change workforce with the times, and three, we will always keep an economic climate that allows them to be successful. I am a proud governor today to know that we are pushing dirt for something that's going to help our people, it's going to help our businesses, but it's going to continue to push our reputation as a state that gets it.
1, 2, 3.